Um, how's it going? I got a beer here with it's not Cooper's, it's home brand one. It's homemade, sparkling ale. Hear that? Fair bit of smoke there when I'm gonna pour it in the glass. Not too fast, not too slow. Quite a fair bit of a head there. It's only been poured pretty slow. Very slow when you call it. Carbonation, not too bad. You can just see the carbonation. I think it's poor quality light. And I'll let that sit for a bit. Have a bread roll. First bread roll. Sesame seeds on it. Sesame seeds, the yellow seeds. First, from my local from that local bakery, 10 minutes walk from you, at 20 minutes actually. Very fresh. Looking at other stuff, but all gone. There's the beer. Using a headmaster glass. It's nice carbonation, it's keeping nice and cold. Bit of chill haze on it. I think no, it's just normal. Can taste it. Bit of froth right there. Rare carbonated. Trust me, it's carbonated rare. Don't know how to say it. It's a nice beer, but it needs more time for it to age. It needs to be aged a lot more longer. It's nice and cold, but I reckon I need to add bit more of the malt, a little bit of malt, so it gives a little bit of flavour in the answer. What else? Oh, it's Cooper's Sparkling Ale. Needs a little bit more malt, definitely more malt. It's about a month age, but I reckon minimum 6 months for that one. Total agree, 6 months minimum, 3 for 6 months minimum. Um, yeah, but it's a little bit more malt. I didn't use the Cooper's way of the tin. Actually used 1.5 kilos of the malt extract and used like 500 grams of the LDM light dry malt. But I just used 200-300 grams of malt dextrose. Well, it's 50-50 I think about in the bag. With corn sugar, corn syrup, with dry corn powder, corn syrup. But yeah, it needs a little bit more time to age, but I reckon more malt better next up. 400 grams, 500 grams malt. I use a Eurozone 5 yeast with it, and I let it ferment for about 11-12 days. It went for. Bottle it and it sat in the lounge room under the towel when it's dark. Good temperatures, not too low, but not too high, not just high up here, not low, but it's in the middle. About 20-28 degrees it was, but so it's not in the 30s up there, you know. Yeah, but nice beer when it's nice and cold. Cheers. Homebrew Wednesday #1 for me. Catch you later.